This is Lenovo TAB M8, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the control panel by swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar. Then among the available shortcuts that you have, touch and hold at the Wi-Fi icon. Assuming that you are connected to the network that you wanted to reveal the password for, tap on it. At the network details page, go for the share option, and at the following section you can see the actual Wi-Fi password below the QR code and the QR code itself, which you can further scan with any other external device or phone in particular to get aforementioned phone automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.